Good morning, team. Today is Tuesday, March 4th. OE is at 50%. Fast service is at 50%. Attentive and courteous is at 75. Taste is at 50. Exterior cleanliness 50. We don't have a number for cleanliness yet. Accuracy 100%. Being remarkable is at 50. Emotional marketing connection is at 100%. And second mile service is at 50%. We are busier. And just an FYI, we were rocked on yesterday at lunch, so spring breakers are in town. The weather's going to be a little colder today, so I don't know what today will look like. A special announcement on Sunday, Foster will have a team meeting for everyone who works at the front counter from 2 to 3. It's a mandatory meeting, so we want to make sure that we spread the word for that and that you be here. And just an FYI, we've got to get ready. We should be ready, but so we need new people. We're recruiting, we're hiring. If you know people that are looking for a job, help us spread the word that we are hiring and we're recruiting people, good people. So find all your best friends, your best cousins, your best uncles, aunties that are looking for employment because we're looking for people. So let's be on it today. Let's execute. Let's be have a high sense of urgency as it relates to taking care of guests and being remarkable. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.